Winter is coming, and if you don't want to be out of trend this winter, then stay with me till the end of this video. Hello everyone, my name is Shubhroto and welcome to my channel Gentleman Andas, and in this video I'm gonna tell you 10 upcoming fashion trends for winter 2020. So this is not what I am saying. Almost all the fashion magazines have said this in their recent articles. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, then please go and subscribe it right now and be a part of my YouTube channel. Here I'm going to talk about fashion, grooming, lifestyle, etiquettes and lot more. So without wasting much time, let's straight away get to the video. So starting from the lowermost thing that you wear, your shoes. So this winter it's all going to be about long line boots. So long line boots are those boots which has longer ankle. I personally love Chelsea boots, but you can also try Kepto boots or Commando boots or etc. There are a lot more options for long line boots. So ditch your loafers this time and grab some pair of long line boots. So coming to your pants, this time skinny fit pants are slowly going out of trend and loose fit pants are coming in. I'm not talking about the baggy pants which makes you look shorter, but loose fit pants are those pants which are 2 or 3 inches more than your actual fit. Let's talk about the shirts and t-shirts. For t-shirts, it is going to be face printed t-shirts. I know it's winter and you will be layering your clothes, but don't worry about the print because you can always keep your shirt and jacket unbuttoned or unchained so that the print of your t-shirt is visible to everyone. And for shirts, it is going to be striped shirts. So talking about winters, how can we not talk about jackets? So this time it is going to be puffy jackets and oversized jackets. And leather jackets and denim jackets are already there because due to this pandemic, we don't have big events this year. So it is more of street styling rather than classic styling. Let's talk about the color that is going to be in trend this winter. It is one of my favorite color, the eye-catching and bold color, red. Yes guys, the color red is going to be in trend this winter and almost all the famous fashion brands are coming up with some cool designs with the color red. Let's talk about some accessories. So this winter crossline body bags is going to be in trend everywhere and it is going to be very useful also because due to this pandemic we have some additional stuffs to carry like a bottle of sanitizer, maybe extra mask, maybe extra pair of gloves, and we don't want our pockets to be bulgy. I'm going to buy one next time I go for shopping. Have you started making a shopping list? If not, then what are you waiting for? Before making your shopping list, check this video on 10 shopping mistakes you might be making. So it's winter, the gloves are definitely in, but rather than the solid color gloves, this time it is more going to be bicolor or tricolor gloves. So what's next? It's the face mask. Face masks are not going anywhere, it is here to stay. So get some fashionable face masks rather than the plain and simple face mask because your face mask is going to cover up 60 to 70% of your face. So it's better to keep them fashionable. So now let's talk about the hairstyle. So long hair trend is coming in again, and if you have ever thought of growing your hair, this is the right time to grow your hair. I know at the mid length of your hair it looks weird, but this year we don't have big events to go, so this is a perfect time you can grow your hair. Last but not the least, your mustaches and beard. So keep them trimmed and small because you are going to wear your face mask most of the time. So technically it is going to be tough for you to maintain your long mustaches and beard. So it's better to keep them small. So that was the 10 upcoming fashion trend for winter 2020. If you like the video, then please press the like button and also share it with your friends and family. And if you have any suggestions for this video, then please drop that in the comment section below. And also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get all the latest updates of this channel. I'll be back with another video super soon. My next video will be on fashion mistakes. So till then, keep supporting. Love, Gentleman Andas.